everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thank you for clicking and watching. Today we're going to be daily planning in my notes, goals, and to-dos planner by Bloom Daily Planners. And this is for the day of the 17th of April. Apologize again for my lighting. I'm trying to move it around because one of my lights blew out and I haven't gotten a new one yet, so apologize for that weirdness and the background noise, which is my lizard in the tank. Anyways, let's start with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So for breakfast, I already had a peanut butter oatmeal cookie, which is not the healthiest of breakfast, but it has oatmeal in it, right? So for lunch, I'm probably just gonna have protein shakes, since those tend to fill me up, and like fruit too. So, and then for dinner, we're having enchilada soup, which we haven't had in a while. So that sounds like it's gonna be good, and I'm excited. But I think it's I think it's 6 points on Weight Watchers for my recipe, and then I'm gonna do a cheddar bay biscuit, so that's gonna be 12 total, either 12 or 11, something like that. Either way, that's gonna be what I'm eating. And then, so for today, my exercise goal is to walk 10,000 steps, as it always is. And let me think of something. Oh, I can already just, I was gonna say, let me think of something to be grateful for, but I'm already grateful that today we were able to go and get a Chromebook from my son's school so that he can work from home, and it's so much better already because his computer was a little slow and the Chromebook is much quicker and faster. So I'm grateful for that today. Important time has already passed, but I'll go ahead and put it in at 8 o'clock. We had to go and pick up the Chromebook. So that was for today. Besides for that, let's see what else we had to do. And I'm gonna write that in my little to-do list here. We always go and pick up his lunch. And then I need to go on my walk. My morning walk. What else do I need to do? I don't need to do the living room anymore, which is great since I finished that task, but I do need to work on the closet a little bit more. Let me see. Oh, I need to plan with my son. And I also need to film my plan with me. And I also need to place some online orders. I've been kind of neglecting to do just because I don't tend to use my laptop very often. I only use it like once or twice a week. And so, but for these orders, I do want to use it my laptop for. So I've been kind of just neglecting doing that until now. So first up, let's go ahead and put in my priorities. Now that I know what I'm doing today, are going to be to plan with my son for next week, film my plan with me, and online orders. So now that I've got my focus for the day, I don't think I need any notes or ideas, but I think that is going to be it. I think that completes my daily plan with me for today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss more of my videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I hope that y'all take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.